This is what lawyers call a common law offence, laid down by the judges over the centuries, and one which is perhaps in some ways rather vague. It applies to a public officer. Now, what does that mean? Somebody who holds public office. It's been applied in the past to police officers, to prison officers who behave improperly, occasionally perhaps to government ministers, members of parliament, others who have high office in some public position. I think it would probably apply to a trade envoy, but then you have to show that the public officer was acting as such, so acting in his role as a trade envoy. Then you've got to show that he willfully neglected to perform his duty or willfully misconducted himself. It will be tried ultimately in the Crown Court. It's not something that can be tried by magistrates. It's what we call an indictable offence, one that can be tried only by a judge and jury. And obviously, if there were to be a trial and the trial goes ahead, he would be represented by counsel and the prosecution would be represented, and they would try to argue their case. This is going to take many months, perhaps even years. The police are continuing their investigations. They're continuing to examine Royal Lodge. They will then move on and look for other documents elsewhere. After all, he was trade envoy for 10 years, started 25 years ago, I think. And so there's plenty of material in government archives, in government records, perhaps in palace records, that they will want to look through before they can decide whether they have enough evidence.